Hello, first grade. Welcome back. Happy Thursday. You guys did a great job on your Chapter 3 math test. So today we're going to continue working on our subtraction, but we're going to start learning something new. So we are going to talk about related subtraction facts. So I want to review something that is going to help you really understand this. When we talked about our addition facts, we learned something called flip-flop. These were related addition facts. So let's review. If I have 3 plus 2 equals 5, can you flip-flop this math fact? So remember, we just switched the numbers. Instead of saying 3 plus 2 equals 5, remember, we switched them. So we put 2 to the front and 3 to the back, because it's not always fair that 3 gets to be the line leader. This should ring a bell with you. So we're going to flip-flop. 3 goes to the back, 2 goes to the front. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. So flip-flop, we just take the numbers and switch them. Most of you did an excellent job with this, but it's been a little bit. So let's look at this one. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Can you flip-flop that math fact? Very good. We switched the numbers. So 4 goes to the back, 5 comes to the front. So instead of 4 plus 5, it is 5 plus 4. And 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4 both equal 9. Remember, the answer doesn't change. So what we're going to do today is very similar, but it's instead of with addition, it's with subtraction. So I'm going to go to the next slide. I'm going to go through the first couple, and then we'll keep practicing this week on our Google Meets. So this says, write the related subtraction fact for the following subtraction fact. So the only difference with subtraction is, remember, the big number always comes first. In addition, the big number is always the sum, but the big number always comes first. So this is the number that always stays the same. So this first number is stubborn. That's what I like to say. He does not want to move. He's always the line leader. So the 7 does not move. If you move the 7, you're going to get very confused. So the first number never moves. The 7 stays right there. And then all we're going to do is flip-flop the next two numbers, because 7 minus 2 equals 5. If we switch these, 7 minus 5 equals 2. And we're going to soon learn that all these addition and subtraction facts together make a fact family. So 7 stays the same, 2 goes to the back, and 5 goes to the middle. So if it was written right here, 7, if I wrote it big, 2, 5, put the equals, put the minus. See how 2 goes to the back, 5 goes to the middle. 7, I'm going to use a different color. 7 always stays in the front. The big number, the first number, it doesn't have to be a 7. Okay? So I'm going to erase that. Let's try another one. So again, these are called related subtraction facts. They're like a little family. If we just move around the numbers but don't change the numbers, it helps us learn our facts. So here we have 8 minus 5 equals 3. Let's use green. So remember, the first number always stays the first number. 8 is bigger than 5, 8 is bigger than 3. That big number stays. And then the next two numbers, flip-flop. They trade places. 3 is at the back, so now 3 goes to the middle, and 5 goes to the back. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So you see, I didn't get any new numbers. I have the same numbers. First number stays. Next two numbers, you flip-flop. That's all we're trying to practice. So let's do one more, and then we'll work on this in our Google Meet, and then we'll also practice in our workbook today. So one more. So here we have 9 minus 5 equals 4. Where does the 9 go? Very good. It does not move. It's the biggest number. It stays in the front. It stays the same. And the next two numbers trade places. So since 4 is in the back, he goes to the middle. Since 5 is in the middle, he goes to the back. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So we have our whole and our two parts. And just because we change the parts doesn't change the fact. So we're going to continue to work on this. And then soon we're going to put our addition and our subtraction flip-flops together and make fact families. Great job. See you soon.